Hello again, internet friends. Are you ready for yet another wonderful guide from your hero Philip? Well, today I'm gonna raise the stakes and teach you how to cook this piece of meat here, which is the steak. Hence the pun. Let's begin. For such a nice piece of meat, first we need to start by oiling it up so that it is good and oily. Don't go too crazy with the oil, you just want to coat it barely. And then you're gonna take some pepper and pepper it up really good. And get it all peppered up everywhere. Slap that meat. Show it who's the boss here. And once you pepper it, you gotta salt it. Hit it up with that salt really good. Put lots of salt on there because that makes it taste really good. Now that we have it seasoned up here, all good and everything, we're gonna take it and put it on a really hot pan and get it cooked. Let's move. You want to get the pan ripping hot like I've got and give it a couple of minutes to come up to temperature. It's got to be really hot to nice and crisp it up. Now that our pan is ripping hot, we're gonna take our meat and put it in there. And we're gonna let it sizzle for about 3 minutes per side. Alright, now it is time to take our meat and flip it over. Look at those lines. Is that not beautiful or what? Now we are gonna let it sizzle on the other side for the same amount of time. I'll see you then. This time I'm gonna flip it over again just a little bit for about 30 seconds on each side, just to give each side a chance to cook up a little more. And then again on the other side, give it a different pattern. Now that we have those beautiful patterns on both sides, I'm gonna take this off of the heat and then put it on our cutting board and let it rest again. Look at those. Wow, look at that steam and those grill marks. While I let it rest, I'm gonna take me some garlic here that I'm peeling because it's so appealing, and then I take it and put it onto the steak while it rests to give it a garlicky flavor. But that's not the only one. I have another thing. In addition to the garlic, I'm gonna take some butter and rub my butter onto all of this, because who does not like the butter? Okay, I'll stop at that joke. But yes, I'm gonna let this rest so that the juices stay on the inside and they come back in. I will see you in those few minutes. Now, unlike me, this steak is well rested. Let us cut into and enjoy this beautiful hunk of meat. Wow, look at how tender and juicy that meat is. I will enjoy this, much like I hope you enjoyed this video, and hope that it inspires you to make something tasty yourself. Have a wonderful day.